Ever loaded a dataset in Power BI and found your column headers sitting in the first row instead of where they belong? It's one of those small things that can throw off your entire report if you're not careful. That's where the Promote Headers step comes in. In this video, I'll show you how Promote Headers works in Power Query and makes your data ready for analysis. Let's get into it. Let's import some data into this Power BI file. We can see here in the preview that the header row is also displayed as a data row. And instead of column names, we have proposed headers as column 1, column 2 and so on. Let's click on transform data. We need to use this first row as headers instead of the headers recommended by Power BI. It's pretty simple to do that. In the home menu of Power Query Editor, we have this option of use first row as headers. And all we need to do is click on it. And you can see the first row has been promoted as headers. It's that simple. And now we can click on close and apply. And you can see that the data has been imported correctly with the right headers. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.